This video contains instructions on how to move an AhsayOBM or AhsayACB installation onto another machine. The following assumptions are made. You will migrate your AhsayOBM or AhsayACB installation from computer A to computer B. You will install the same or newer version of AhsayOBM or AhsayACB on computer B. Both computer A and B are on similar operating system platforms, such as both on Windows or both on Linux. Mixing platforms of computer A to computer B is not supported. Please follow the following steps. On the original computer or computer A, copy the user config files and log files located at the following. For Windows, it is under Drive C, Users, the user folder, and then .obm or .acb. Copy the config and log folders to the same location on the new computer or computer B. For Linux CLI, it is located at root/.obm. Copy the config files and the log files to the same location on the new computer or computer B. Note: the exact path to the .obm or .acb folder can be found within the home.txt file in the AhsayOBM or AhsayACB installation folder. If the .obm or .acb folder is not copied onto the new machine, AhsayOBM or AhsayACB will prompt for the encryption key for each backup set before you can access the backup set. Download and install the latest version of AhsayOBM or AhsayACB on the new computer. Modify the owner setting of the backup sets from the original computer to the new computer. For AhsayOBM or AhsayACB installation on operating system platforms with GUI, log into the AhsayOBM or AhsayACB user interface. Select Backup Sets, then the corresponding backup set. Under Backup Schedule, enable the Run Scheduled Backup for this backup set setting. Select Yes when prompted to take ownership of the backup set. Note: repeat the steps for all backup sets that should be run on the new computer or computer B. For AhsayOBM on Linux CLI, execute the run configurator.sh script under the AhsayOBM installation bin folder. Log in using your credentials. Export the settings of the corresponding backup set to XML file. Choose option 3. The XML file has been exported to the following location. Edit the backup set XML file with a text editor. Modify the Enable Scheduled Backup on this computer setting from N to Y. Import the backup set setting afterward. Choose option 4. Then, enter Y when prompted to take ownership of the backup set. Then enter Y when prompted to overwrite existing settings. Note: for backup set with no backup schedule, you will need to create a temporary backup schedule for the backup set in order to change the owner setting of the backup set to the new computer. You can delete the backup schedule once you have modified the owner setting. Confirm if the owner setting of the backup set is correct. For AhsayOBM or AhsayACB installation on operating system platforms with GUI, log into the AhsayOBM or AhsayACB user interface. Select Backup Sets and confirm the owner, such as the computer name, is listed under the backup set. Note: Repeat the same steps for all backup sets that should be run on the new computer or computer B. For AhsayOBM installation on Linux CLI, execute the runconfigurator.sh script under the AhsayOBM installation bin folder. Confirm the owner setting of the backup set by listing the backup set settings. Choose option 1 and choose our backup set. As you can see here, the owner of the backup set has changed. For AhsayOBM installation on Windows, modify the Windows authentication setting if necessary. Select Backup Sets, then the corresponding backup set. Under General, modify the Windows user authentication settings if necessary. Note: repeat the same steps for all backup sets that should be run on the new computer or computer B. For backup set with continuous backup enabled, re-enable the continuous backup setting. Select Backup Sets, then the corresponding backup set. Under Continuous Backup, enable the Backup Whenever Change is Made settings. Note: repeat the same steps for all backup sets that have continuous backup enabled previously.